What's poppin', beautiful people? How y'all doing? Hope y'all doing good today. And as you can see, I got my hat on because I got a bad hair day. Yeah. And that brings me to the title of the video. I'm bored, got nothing to do. I've been growing my hair, so why not just do a hair video? Show y'all where it's at. My struggles and going through and beauties and rough moments. Yeah, so I'ma just do a voiceover for this hair video and hope y'all enjoy it. Let's go. Yeah, so in this picture, this is when I first started. I decided I'ma just grow it out. This is probably like my third or fourth time growing my hair. And this is June 1st, 2018. I had some little twist in there and I said I'ma just pull it out. It's dirty as hell. I just pull it out so I can wash it, get it cleaned up. And then this is July 3rd, so I'm just gonna go month by month. I may have two in a month or so, but that's what I'm gonna do until we reach to the end of 700 days. Yeah, so this is July 3rd. As you can see, it's growing pretty good. The next one, this is when I first got it braided, and this is July 24th, 2018. First got it braided. As you can see, the sides was struggling. It was struggling. What? Yep. But the hairdresser, she was pretty good and she got it. She wanted to put some little, I guess, artificial hair in my thing. I said, nope, not today. So all natural, baby, all day. And this one is just, I'm just showing you the back of it. This is July 31st, 2018 still. And then this is when it was after the cornrows, pulled it out. This is how it grew up. As you can see, it's growing pretty fast. This one is August 2018. Yup. This is just same picture, but the back of it, show you it's growing pretty nice. It's growing pretty nice. I like it. And then this is still in August. This is when I get some fresh braids again. Still in August, looking pretty clean. I just had to throw this one in because it's clean. And this is the August the 9th, 2018. This one, and we're still in August, people. Still in August. You can see the length. It's growing. Yes, you can see the length. It's growing. Reach at my eyebrows and just like from June to August, eyebrows. Pretty good. This one is when, this is just a picture of me in school. This is September. You can see still flourishing, looking beautiful, clean. You know what I mean? And this is September. See a little bit past the eyebrows, a little bit. I'm stretching it. Probably, I think it hurt after I'm done, that little spot, because I'm stretching it so hard. Yeah, but that's September 24th, 2018. Now we're gonna move on to, this is still September. This is when I got some style in there. I'm like, yo, throw some style in there. Throw it in. Let me see. The back, you can see the back is struggling. Boy, it is struggling. And this, you can see the growth. This is October, so you see it goes up a little bit more, probably about half an inch or so. October 14th, 2018. And then this picture is when I got some plaits in it. Those plaits are clean. Yes sir. And that's my wife's hair in the back. She gonna kill me. This is November. This is when I start getting a little bit of hang time around there. A little bit of hang time, November. And we're still in 2018. And then this one, I did some fresh plaits again. And you can see now I got some good little hang time around there. Good length. It's getting there. It's growing fast. And we moving right to December. And this is December the 6th, I don't know what I was doing, bruh. I don't know. I can't even explain that. This is just December 2018. Then here we go. This is 2019, January 2019. Where put it in one. I got that little ponytail. It's a struggling ponytail. Yes, sir. Then we move to March. And this is March 2019. I skipped February. I don't think there was much growth in February. I don't know. But this is March. See that little star right there? So you know it's growing pretty good because I got a lot on top right now. Then we're still in March. This is when I pulled it out. Still in March. As you can see, it's growing pretty nice. And then this is in April. My tail is wrapped up gang all day. Yes, sir. And then we move to May, and this is when it really started growing. I can see I can do way more styles, get way more versatile and all of that with this. This is May the 11th, 2019. Then we move to June. You can see it's touching my ears right now. Ooh, this is when I was like, I ain't no stopping right now. Ooh. So this is about to be 1 year? July. There we go. This is 1 year. Like dead on 1 year. July. Yes, sir. And then we move to August. You can see looking good, pretty fresh. Looking good. And then September. Hey, voila. This is September. You see that? What? And then October, this is when I start having fun. I'm like, put it in a ponytail, wrapped it up, and ooh, clean. And this is October 2019. And then this is November 2019, where you see the puff is getting bigger. The puff is getting real big right now. Big puff, boy. Yes, sir. And then November, this is still November. You can see that the plait is way down on the back right now, almost touching the back of my glasses. And that's I feel good right now. This is where I was like, yes, it's growing. It's growing pretty fast too. And this, I got my ends clipped. Because guys, you gotta clip your ends. Because I had split ends and stuff. So I clipped it up and then gave it a twist. So this is December 3rd, 2019. And then this is the end of December. You can see, yes, it is there. I love it. And then we're gonna move on to 2020. 2020, baby. This is January 18, 2020. See, I got pretty hair. Don't sleep on me. I got pretty hair. Don't sleep on me. And then we go to February the 10th, 2020. When I did some smaller plaits and put it in one. Oh my gosh, my hair looks good. I love my hair, guys. I love my hair. Treat your hair right. And then March. This is in March. Big puff, baby. Yes, sir. This is in March. Where you see the puff is just mwah. Kiss that puff. Let me stop. And then this is April the 11th. Oh my gosh, quarantine had me like, oh my gosh, I look like a dang caveman right here. Oh, I need the barber, come see me, help. And then this is May 4th. Did some smaller plaits and put it up into one. I cut myself right there. Not cut as in cut. I gave myself a haircut. Not too bad. And then this is where it's at right now. Yeah, my puff is, oh, you see that puff? The puff is almost big as my head right now. Yeah. And this is the end of the video, guys. Thanks for watching. I'ma probably do one where I show you the different cornrow styles that I got, and then I may do one with the products that I use. I don't use no chemical though. No chemical touching this baby right here. Nope. Thanks for watching again, guys. I'll see you in the next one.
Shorty, you better you know it. Shorty, you better show it. Shorty, you better you know it. Shorty, you better show it. Make me feel like I just want you to come over. I just want you to have my door.